Have you ever felt that dark, or probably have you ever had that feeling that let me escape everything for a bit because the limelight really got onto you, the fame aspect of your job?
You know, I've never told myself to escape. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'll be very honest. I'm just not someone who leaves a situation. ऐसा नहीं कि situations haven't come up. Atrocities have come up. Unfairness has come up, or disrespect has come up, or all kinds of weird stuff comes up. You know, now part of our lives has become 100x accessible to people thanks to social media and all of that. And उसके plus minuses दोनों हैं. जो minuses हैं that they can bring you to a breaking point. They can affect you a lot. But I am not the kind of person, I've not been brought up like that. Leaving is not an option. I'm not saying that, you know, I'm a Jhansi ki Rani and I take on everything. कि निकालो तलवार और सर काट के बताते हैं इनको. I'm not like that. I'm a thin-skinned person. I admit to being thin-skinned. I am not made of steel. I have my vulnerabilities. I just choose when and where to express them. Absolutely. Which is in front of my loved ones. People who have earned the right to my vulnerabilities, which I feel like is a huge privilege in anyone's life. If someone considers me a friend and wants to open her heart out and talk to me, it's my privilege. I don't give that privilege about my life to the world and sundry. I don't do that.
Yeah.
Because my work is out there. Everyone has a right to speak about everything regarding my work, what I'm doing in a part, what I'm not doing. By all means, talk about anything of that sort related to my work.
Yeah.
Everything else, I hold the right to talk about or not talk about or be affected by or not. And I do that only when I feel safe and I feel like I can free fall without any second thoughts or second guessing or anything of that sort. So it's very important, you know, in today's day and age to somewhere walk with that awareness that there are more vultures out there, scavengers, people who are waiting to maybe you know, have their 2 cents of fun or whatever you want to call it at your cost.
Yeah.
It's your responsibility to not give them that ability to slip through the cracks. It's hard. It's not always easy. And I'm not made of steel, but I'm not a quitter. And I never come to a point because I've seen worse. This is nothing. This part of life, you know, the brickbats or the, you know, the kind of weird things that happen online, things. I've seen much worse. Growing up, I have dealt with actual real-time, real-life problems. This is all notional. These are waves.
Yeah.
They come and go.
Yeah.
They'll move on to the next person.
So true.
And then someone else after them. So when I know what I have dealt with in life and how I have built myself from scratch, brick by brick by brick, I know that there's a girl inside me who gives me so much strength that she'll never let anything really, really break that core, you know. That core doesn't break.